entire automation, just follow this step by step. When accessing your account, go to the menu and click Automation. In the Automation section, choose the plan you want to purchase and click Buy Now. Confirm the amount and availability of your balance and click Continue. There, you've already hired your automation robot. Now you will be redirected to your robot panel and, on the platform, get to know the robot panel.
Preview.
After viewing the entire panel, scroll down until you reach Automation Settings. There you will configure your robot's characteristics such as value to be operated, minimum percentage for your robot to execute the order, work mode, and below the button to activate and deactivate your robot. Remember that when the button is blue, your robot is enabled. After configuring, click on the blue button under Change Changes. On the panel, you will have access to the orders and logs, which are the signals that the robot has received. For each change in the settings, remember to click the blue Change Changes button.